Well, here we are in MacGregor Point, Provincial Park. We're gonna stay for a couple nights and see what's going on here. Probably a nice beach, some good biking, and hopefully the firewood's dry, so stay tuned. Okay, we're here at the store. We're just gonna grab some firewood. Hopefully it's dry. And I can feel moisture, so probably not. Okay, we got our firewood and now we're off. Okay, we made it. We're site 305 here, as you can see. Doesn't look too bad. Lots of privacy so far. So we got our fire pit and we got a neat little trail that goes into the woods here. So far things are looking up. Okay, we're heading down to the beach, MacGregor Point. So we got the map here, fully visible. Now let's head down to the beach. So we have made it to the shores of Lake Huron, watching the sunset go down. So there's quite a crowd coming in here tonight to catch this sunset. And I think the tide's coming in. I said I think the tide's coming in.
The Great Lakes have tides?
I said I think the tide is coming in, right?
I said the Great Lakes have tides?
Yes, of course they do.
I don't know about that. I can't even Google it.
That's right, because we have no internet connection here. Okay, we just came back from the beach and we got the fire roaring. And I can say the beach is nice, the sunset's nice, but it's a little bit rocky. It's hard to walk on, even with a decent set of shoes. So if you do come here, bring your water shoes or a good set of sneakers that can grip the rocks, because it's a little bit sketchy out there. So just so you know, and just so you know, it's supposed to be some of the best sunsets in the world right here in close to Port Elgin, I'd say. MacGregor Point, Provincial Park. We're gonna do a little midnight snack here. It's some Ontario sweet corn from TJ's. We got the fire going, the water's boiling, and we got our corn here. So we got our corn, and we got a Tragically Hip Lake Fever Lager. So what can get more Canadian or more Ontarian than that? It's called a Thermosil, so this is supposed to ward your mosquitoes away. I hear they work pretty good. So far we've had some good results. We haven't been bothered by mosquitoes yet, so we'll see what happens in the morning when they like to swarm around 7 a.m. or so. Okay, so this stuff looks pretty good. If it comes from TJ's, it can't be bad. Husker up here, do some husking action. Yeah, that's it. We're ready to go. Sweet, sweet Ontario corn. We're gonna boil this up for like 5 minutes. Yeah, just like that. Sweet, delicious Ontario corn. Good morning, MacGregor Point. What does the day have in store for us? Okay, off to find the bathrooms. It's early in the morning, so let's see if we can find them before things go really south. Really hope these are flush toilets and not the vault style. I need something nice and clean. So far it's a bit of a walk, which I'm not a big fan of. 5 minutes. Best thing to do is get here early in the morning if you want to get your spot. At least there was toilet paper. I can thank God for that. Pretty cool morning out. You can tell summer's almost coming to an end. Just gonna do some potato peeling here for our fried potato breakfast. It's nothing worse than the small potatoes, because it essentially means you have to do more peeling, which I'm not a big fan of. And I don't have the peeler, so it's making it a bit more difficult. And I have to be extremely careful in order not to slice my thumb off. So this morning we're gonna do these Linda McCartney's. They're 6 vegetarian sausages. We're gonna do that with potatoes. I kind of got my campfire grill over top of my Coleman stove because I don't have another frying pan. So we're gonna see how this works. Hopefully it'll go like a little barbecue or something. Oh crap! All right. Okay, good as new. So hopefully these aren't too greasy. Probably not the best way to cook sausages, but see if this heats it a little bit more evenly. In case you didn't know, Linda McCartney is well, she's the wife of Sir Paul McCartney. She's also a musician and somewhat of an animal rights activist, so I guess that's why she's come up with this brand of 6 vegetarian sausages. We'll give them a go. Everywhere you go, there's cat hair. Okay, a little ketchup to that. Nothing like fried potatoes for breakfast. Linda McCartney's. Looks pretty good. And they taste pretty good.
What's in them?
I have no idea.
Rehydrated textured soy protein, so that's TVP.
Rehydrated textured soy protein.
70%. And then just seasonings and wheat flour. It's got methyl cellulose in it.
Delicious methyl cellulose too.
And tomato puree, salt, and a raising agent.
But no pork. Okay, we're just gonna check out some of the biking around here. Hey. Not sure if we're allowed to be on this trail with a bike, but I'll figure that out after. Yeah, so that was the Old Shore Road Trail, so we're gonna have to go back and check. I don't see anything for shared pathway here where it says that you can't put bikes on here. But we're gonna go back. I know the map has the official legend and whether it's shared or hiking only. So that's important to know. meantime, that's going to be all the adventure. Go back and rest for a bit. We'll get ready for the big bike ride that's coming this afternoon. I'm going to get back, get some deodorant on before things get out of control. I can feel myself sweating already, and it's only 9 a.m. Doing some cantaloupe here. Be careful as to not cut yourself. So always be careful with sharp knives. Okay, so we're ready to check out the trails now and the Campers Beach here at MacGregor Point Provincial Park. So we are gonna get cruising. It seems we have a nice boardwalk here. A bit of a seated area where you can take a look at the swamp. Okay, on the Old Shore Road Trail, we're heading our way down to Campers Beach. Quite a nice bike ride here. Oh, we're at the beach. Not what I expected. Maybe we had to take the other trail. This doesn't say anything for this way, but we're gonna go this way. Alright, we got a bridge. It's a tight squeeze. I'm not sure if this is a bike trail. It didn't say anything.
This looks like the thing around the swamp.
Yeah.
You better turn back.
Well, let's get a couple pictures of the swamp. I think we're back on track now. Back to the Old Shore Road Trail. So we made it down to a beach. It's right beside the Campers Beach. That's the nice sandy one. But this one happens to be rocky, and that's fine with us because quite not as many people here yet. But I believe we're going to head down to the Campers Beach later on by car and see if the swimming's any good down there. Okay, we are back from our bike ride and decided we're going to do some lunch before we head down to the beach. Yeah, it's going to be some Beyond sausage. So we'll let that cool down a bit and then we'll throw our Beyonds on. Okay, there we go, some Beyond sausages for lunch. Got some pretzel buns to go with that, make it even better. So we're just gonna have to watch these, they don't burn. The fire's getting pretty hot. Okay, we're gonna give our sausages a little flip here. Make sure they get nice and brown. Hopefully I don't have to heat up this fire anymore, but we want to cook these guys thoroughly. And we also got a special treat today. We got some pretzel buns, so get ready for that. That got a little too hot. Okay, pretty decent, so we're gonna do these pretzel buns now. Just kind of heat them up a bit. Squeeze them in there. We just want to get them a little warm, not really toast them too much. Okay, I think we're good here. Do one at a time. Yeah, check that out. And there you have it, Beyond sausage on a pretzel bun. quite unique. Nice little boardwalk. Looks like it's wheelchair accessible if necessary. Yeah, busy beach. Okay, we made it to the Port Elgin beach, so we're gonna check the beach area out here. Maybe do some swimming, but definitely just check it out. Yeah, busy place.
We gotta take the car home. We gotta go to the car to go home.
Also want to look at all the rich boats. Okay, we are back at the campsite and we are setting up the fire for some steak and veggies tonight. Yeah. It's Sunday morning, we're packing up. Tent is getting broken down. All in all, not a bad park. Sunsets are really nice. A lot of families. Probably a great place for kids. I don't think I'll be coming back here. Not that it's a bad park, it's just maybe a little bit too busy for me. So we'll likely might start driving a few hours more north and see if we can find some more peace in these parks. So that's it. We're out of here. Back to the city and back to work for another week or two. Nice short drive home.